Besties, I'm not joking when I tell you this is one of the best jars I've ever gotten. Please watch the entire video. You will not regret it. Hey besties, welcome to part 2 of this ginormous whimsical jar. I need these off the front right away, but we have to finish the inside first. So let's get straight into it. This jar is so amazing. If you guys haven't seen part 1, go look at it right now because I found one of my new favorite pieces in it. I'm gonna break this like... I don't even care. Oh my god, guys. You're joking. Oh my god. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm keeping that forever and ever and ever. Oh my god, this is the best jar all week, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna keep that one, but I am gonna keep this one, mine. And I'm also maybe gonna keep that one. Okay, I need this seaweed necklace out of here immediately because this is starting to annoy me. As pretty as it is. Oh my god, could you imagine that as a waist chain? Look at these. Okay, I'm gonna think on her because it's not something usually up my alley. Shut up right now, it's mine. Whoa. Oh my goodness, that's going in my Whimsy Goth jar. This is gonna be for you and not for me. This jar was literally made for me. This is the definition of my style right here. We have this blue bracelet. I'm gonna keep that for my mermaid looks because I fear I have nothing like it. Ooh. Got this regular pearl necklace, little dainty one. I'm gonna keep for now. Might change my mind. Ooh, we've got some amethyst action. Does it fit? Okay, no, it's a little too big, so I guess you guys can have her as much as I want to keep. I just have so much jewelry. I feel like it's better to share. What is happening? It's giving dragonfly. What? Oh, an earring. Okay. I'm not gonna keep that. That'll be for you, not for me. Shut up. That is so pretty. It's giving Tangled vibes. I will be keeping and putting that on my bag. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so pretty. I need another jar from her right away because this is insane. Keeping. Get back in the jar. Oh, what? Whoa. That is so pretty. I would totally wear that. That's mine. It's getting hard to dig in. Oh, we've got this ring, please. Okay, it barely fits my thumb, but I'm still gonna keep it anyways. Okay. We've got, oh, I really, really like this. Okay, we'll have to figure out how to close it. But look at that. That's mine. I'm kidding. Okay, we've got this orange bracelet. I'm not gonna keep this. What is this? Oh, it's one of those like magnetic ones. I used to get these all the time from my parents when I was little. I'm not gonna keep. Let's get this earring off before we just put it in the not keep pile. Ooh. Oh my god. They look like little fairies almost. I know they're dragonflies, but yeah, I'm keeping. Okay, here's the earring, and it's probably not something I would wear, so I'm not gonna keep. Okay, got this plain pearl necklace for you and not for me. We've got, ooh, are you layered, or are you joking? You're joking. Okay, that's what I thought. We've got this colorful beaded necklace. This will be for you and not for me. Let's go ahead and dump and then get this stuff off of the outside of the jar. Okay. We did it. We did it without ruining the outside of the jar. We've got this bracelet. Looks like it's almost gonna break, so it'll be for you. I might craft it too. This ring is gonna be for you. Oh my god, it's giving Tangled vibes. Please fit. I have such tiny fingers, it's impossible to find things that fit me. It fits my thumb pretty well, and I'm gonna keep it. Oh, that's so pretty. If it doesn't fit my wrist, then it'll fit my ankle. We've got this ring. This is totally a pinky ring. Or an upper ring like that. Maybe. We've got this purple ring that would not fit, so it's gonna be for you. This little butterfly ring, please. Oh my god, it's gonna fit. Yes. Mine. Oh, we've got this pretty blue ring. It's gonna also fit for me. Oh my gosh. Shut up. Those are so pretty. I'm keeping. And then we've got this blue stretchy ring, which I'm gonna say maybe 2. Now let's get these off of the jar. Oh, okay, we're starting off. Immediate yes to the butterfly. Are you kidding me? Oh, and it's on like the perfect length of chain. Oh, yes, I am obsessed. Mine. This jar is so pretty too. Okay, next up. Holy crap, I love that so much. That's mine. Keeping forever. Making this so hard on me and my nails. Love her. Oh, I love. Yes, I love. I don't have like any orange in my collection, so. Okay. Next up we have these. I would not wear. I don't love that like pale pink color. Now, however, these look like berries, like strings of berries, and I will be keeping forever. Okay, and we've got a couple more earrings over here, and we've got another butterfly necklace. Okay, we've got these plain blue earrings. I am keeping. I would totally wear that. And then lastly, oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. You guys need to go check her out right now. I'm linking her Depop below. This jar was incredible. Thank you so, so much. I need to order from you ASAP again. But I love you all so much. Bye.